Okay, we did Cinco de Mayo yesterday, and today is Flatbread Friday. I had some of the ingredients from our chorizo pizza dog, no, our chorizo burrito dogs. The pizza's today, burrito was yesterday. And I had some of them, and I'm gonna creatively use them. Oh, I also had some chicken wings that I had to cook, so I picked the meat off of those, and so it's gonna be a chicken Cinco de Mayo pizza, and here we go, follow it on. I bought this artisan pizza crust from Guess Who, Misfits Market, and it came in a 2-pack, and I had them in the freezer, so we're gonna use that for our pizza crust. And first thing we're gonna do is sauce. Okay, our sauce is on, and if you remember from past chicken pizza videos that I've done, I like to put the chicken, this is our chicken from our chicken wings, I like to put the chicken underneath the cheese so it doesn't get dried out and overcooked. So we're gonna just spread that all over the place. Our next step is cheese. I'm using my favorite 4-cheese pizza blend. Use mozzarella. And we're gonna just distribute that all over our chicken. Okay, cheese is down. Now here comes the fun part. This is the mixture I had left over from our chorizo burrito dogs. Ha, said it right that time. So I wanna use it for something, so I'm gonna use it for this. But what I'm gonna do with it, instead of just spreading it all over the place, I'm gonna put little dollops placed all around. Okay, our burrito filling is on, and if you don't remember, or if you do, I just want to remind you that it's peppers and onions and corn and black beans and a lot of different seasonings and some garlic. And most of the produce came from Misfits Market, like always. And so now we're gonna do another fun stuff. And probably when we cook this pizza, these things are gonna spread out and just go. I also had a tiny bit of the shredded cheddar left over from our burrito dogs. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little sprinkle of cheddar over each one of these dollops. I used it all, and here we go. We're gonna get up close and personal before we go in the oven. Like I say, this is gonna be messy when it comes out of the oven, but right now it looks really cute, very sweet, and it's gonna taste very delicious. And we're gonna go in the oven, 425 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're out of the oven, and I'm very pleased with the way that the toppings stayed together. So we can get this up, I think. Get some messy, raise it up, but everything stayed in place pretty much. And so now we're gonna slice it, top it, and serve it. Okay, we're all sliced up, ready to serve. It smells amazing, looks amazing. Hopefully gonna taste amazing. Let's get these two pieces that are attached and unattach them. Now, I also had left over from our burritos some of the chili ranch. This is a small can of green chilies blended in the blender with some ranch dressing. And we're gonna just dollop a little of that over on top. I gotta be careful because this isn't gonna pour very nice. So we'll dollop instead of stream. And that's gonna be good. Finish it off with a pinch of green, a little cilantro. Oh. And there we have it. This is our chicken Cinco de Mayo pizza, and we utilized all of our ingredients. You know, that's what I'm all about. So I'm sorry if you feel that this is a little redundant because it's kind of the same thing that I made yesterday, but it is different and it is tasty, and happy Flatbread Friday. Thank you for joining me on Flatbread Friday. Tomorrow is the Kentucky Derby, and 9 years ago, I went to the Kentucky Derby, so maybe I'll be doing something for that, making some mint juleps or some sort of snack or something, but stay tuned and we'll see you soon.